Your broker has your social security number, your bank routing number, and your tax ID. And the machine you use, that trading computer you use every day to log into that broker, has at least 7 cybersecurity holes that you've never closed. Yes, holes that make you vulnerable. I'm going to walk you through every single one of them, and most take less than 60 seconds to fix. Here's what nobody's talking about. Well, every cybersecurity video on YouTube is yelling at you about password managers and two-factor authentication. Traders have a completely different threat surface. You're not a normal user. You're not just checking Gmail and shopping on Amazon. You're logging into 3 different brokers, 2 prop trading firms, a crypto exchange, and your bank, all from the same machine, all day long. That makes you the juiciest target on the entire internet. And the worst part, the people who built your trading platform, they're not responsible for what happens on your end of the connection. That's all on you. Last year, one of my customers got a Schwab account drained for $41,000 in about 14 minutes. He had a strong password. He had two-factor authentication. He still got cleaned out. Why? Because he had a cybersecurity hole that I'm about to mention. It's hole number 4, and he had no idea that it even existed. So let's get into all of them right now. Cybersecurity hole number 1, your browser is logged into your broker permanently. So many traders are saving their broker login in Chrome or Edge because, hey, it's faster. You open the browser, you click the bookmark, and you're in. No typing. Convenient, right? Wrong. It's also the equivalent of leaving your house keys taped to your front door with a sticky note that says, trading account inside. Anyone who sits down at your computer, a repair guy, a house guest, your brother-in-law who just wants to check the score, is one click away from your buying power. Fix it in 30 seconds. Hit the start button in the bottom left corner, then click on settings, then click on accounts, then sign-in options. Turn on require Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts. Then open up Chrome, and you can do this in Edge too, but in Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right, go to settings, click autofill and passwords, and then delete every saved broker password. From now on, use a password manager like RoboForm or just type them in manually. Yes, it's annoying, but so is bankruptcy. Hole number 2, you're trading on the same Windows account that your family uses. This one drives me nuts. Your wife checks her email on it. Your kid downloads free Minecraft modifications on it. Your nephew installed something called Discord Nitro Hack last Thanksgiving and you never knew about it. Every single one of those activities can install malware, specifically something called a keylogger or a Trojan. A keylogger is a tiny program that records every keystroke you type, including the one where you log into Interactive Brokers at 9:28 a.m. The keylogger then quietly emails everything to some guy in a basement in Eastern Europe who can't believe his luck. Fix it. Create a separate Windows user account that only you use, and you only use it for trading. Click the start button. Click settings. Go to accounts. Click other users, and then click add account. Make it a standard user, not an administrator. Don't install anything on it except your trading platforms. No Netflix, no browsers full of extensions, nothing. Hole number 3, your home router running firmware from 2019. I'd bet money that 9 out of 10 of you have never updated your router. You plugged it in when the cable guy left, the lights turned green, and you walked away. That router is the front door to every device on your network, including the one moving real money in and out of markets. Router exploits from 2020 that target unpatched firmware are still wide open on millions of home networks right now. There are bots scanning IP ranges 24 hours a day looking for them. Yours could be on it. You could be wide open. Here's how to fix it. Log into your router's admin page. It's usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 on your browser. Somewhere in the admin, there's got to be a place to check for firmware updates. And while you're in there, change your default admin password. Admin and password are not passwords. They're an invitation. And before I keep going real quick, if you want to know exactly what hardware and software setup actually keeps a trader secure and fast, I put together a free complete guide to trading computers that walks you through everything I build for my customers. Click the link in the description and grab it after this video. All right, hole number 4. And this is the one that drained my customer's account. Public Wi-Fi. Check out this story. He was on a flight. The plane had Wi-Fi. He logged into his broker to check a position. Someone on that plane was running something called the evil twin attack, basically a fake Wi-Fi network that looks identical to the real one, and it captured his credentials in plain text. By the time he landed, his money was gone. Never ever log into a broker, a bank, or a crypto exchange on public Wi-Fi. Not at Starbucks, not at the airport, not at the hotel. If you absolutely have to log in, you have 2 choices. Use your phone's hotspot instead, or use a VPN, a virtual private network. A virtual private network will encrypt your traffic so the man-in-the-middle attack captures nothing usable. And if you use your cellular network hotspot, they're dramatically harder to intercept than some sketchy router behind the coffee counter at Starbucks. Hole number 5. Your 2-factor authentication is hooked to your phone number. I know you know what I'm talking about. Most brokers default to SMS, to text, for your 2-factor authentication. They text you a code, you type it in, done. Here's the problem. There's a scam out there, it's called SIM swapping, where a criminal calls your cell carrier, pretends to be you, and then ports your phone number to a SIM card in their pocket. Suddenly, every 2-factor authentication code your broker sends goes to them, not you. Believe it or not, the FBI tracked down nearly 26 million in SIM swap losses in 2024 alone. And in the UK, cases have surged over 100% year over year. Fix it. Switch your 2-factor authentication from text to an authenticator app. Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or auth. Or even better, a hardware security key like YubiKey. It's phishing-proof and it's SIM swap-proof. The codes are generated on your physical device and they can't be intercepted by porting your cell number. Every modern broker supports this. Log in right now and turn it on. Hole number 6. Your trading machine is on the same network as everything else. Your trading PC, your smart TV, your Ring doorbell, your kid's Xbox, the smart refrigerator that nobody asked for, they're all sharing the same Wi-Fi. And every one of those Internet of Things devices is a known weak point. If your fridge gets hacked, the hacker pivots to your trading PC. Most modern routers let you set up a guest network with one click. Put every single one of those Internet of Things devices on the guest network. Keep your trading computer on the main network, hardwired by Ethernet. Now your smart refrigerator can't talk to the machine that holds all your account passwords. Hole number 7, and this is the one nobody warns you about, browser extensions. That little free PDF converter you installed 3 years ago and you forgot about, it has a permission to read every page you visit, including your broker's account page, including the screen that shows your balance, your position, and your routing numbers. Open Chrome, click the 3 dots, go to Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. Look at the list. If you don't recognize it, or you didn't install it on purpose in the last 6 months, or you can't even explain what it does, just delete it. Be ruthless. The fewer extensions on your trading browser, the smaller your attack surface. Better yet, use one browser for trading and nothing else. No extensions, no bookmarks for anything other than your broker. Pure muscle, no clutter. And here's the uncomfortable reality. The market doesn't care if you got hacked. Your broker's terms of service almost certainly say that if your credentials were stolen because of something on your end, a keylogger, a sketchy Wi-Fi network, a SIM swap, you're on the hook for the losses, not them. 60 seconds per cybersecurity hole. 7 holes. That's 7 minutes of work standing between you and a phone call you never want to make. And dude, why haven't you subscribed yet? Do yourself a favor, slam the subscribe button. I promise to keep generating these tips to help you optimize your trading experience. And if you want to see the ultimate computer for trading, the one that's going to future-proof you for the next 5 years, that's totally AI trading ready, you definitely want to watch this video next. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. May the trend be with you.